Dear students, today we will start the practice set 2.6, which is the application based on the quadratic equation. So let's study the first example. Product of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence is 84. Find the present age. Here we'll consider the Pragati's age. Let age is equal to x years. Now what I have given the condition? So here by condition, read the condition carefully. What is the condition? Pragati's age 2 years ago. 2 years ago means before 2 years. So today what is the age? Age is x years. So 2 years ago, that is x minus 2. And 3 years hence. 3 years hence, 3 years after. So 3 years after means now she has x years. So 3 years after would be x plus 3. What I have said, product of these two means 2 years ago and after 3 years. Product of them is equal to, it is 84. Now this example we have to solve it. How to solve it? Just make it product, that means x minus 2. I will multiply by x first. Then x minus 2 I'll multiply by plus 3 is equal to 84. Here these bracket, first bracket I have multiplied by x. Then again same bracket I have multiplied by plus 3. So here if you will multiply by x, you will get the answer x square, here minus 2x, multiply here plus 3x plus minus 6 is equal to 84. If you will solve it, so you will get x square, here you will get plus 1x minus 6 is equal to 84. Now this example you can solve by any method, but here I'll use the factorization method only. So here what are the factors? I'll get it here. Before that we'll transfer it 84 minus 84 on this side. So I'll get x square plus 1x minus 6. Transfer 84 on this side, LHS. So you will get minus 84 is equal to 0. X square plus 1x, this would be added and you will get answer here 90 is equal to 0. Now we have to factorize 90 in such a way that you will get the sum as 1. So the two factors, so 90's factors minus 90's factors would be 10 and 9. So here plus 10 minus 9. So x square plus 10x minus 9x minus 90 is equal to 0. I'll make the pairs and I'll take it common. Here x is common. What we left in the bracket? X plus 10. Here if you take minus 9 is the common factor. So in the bracket x plus 10 will be left is equal to 0. X plus 10 into x minus 9 is equal to 0. So x plus 10 is equal to 0 or x minus 9 is equal to 0. X plus 10 transfer it on that side. X is equal to minus 10. Here you will get x is equal to 9. Now we have to find out x value, and that means the age of the Pragatis. So here minus 10, that means it cannot be a age. So x minus 10, x is equal to minus 10, it cannot be acceptable. So here age cannot be negative. Therefore, which value we are going to accept? X is equal to 9. So x minus 10 therefore x is equal to 9. So therefore Pragati's age, answer, Pragati's age is equal to 9 years. Second example, the sum of squares of two consecutive even natural numbers is 244. Find the numbers. Now in this case, I'll consider let first even natural number is equal to x. So its next consecutive number, it would be second number is equal to x plus 2. We know that two consecutive even natural number, they have the difference 2. So if first number is x, so second number would be x plus 2. So what is the condition? Therefore, by given condition, see the condition, they have said the sum means addition of squares of two consecutive even natural number. Now they said that make the squares of these two natural numbers. So first natural number is square x square, second natural number x plus 2, its square, and their sum is their addition plus is equal to 244. Here I'll write x square as it is. This x plus 2 I will solve it by using the a plus b bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So use it here. So you will get x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 244. What I have used here? I have used a plus b bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now transfer these terms on this side and convert it into standard form. So x square plus x square, you will get 2x square here plus 4x plus 4, 244, transfer it on this side. So minus 244 is equal to 0. Here you will get 2x square plus 4x as it is, and here it will become minus 240 is equal to 0. This equation we can divide by 2. So divide by 2, you will get x square, here 2x will left, and here minus 120 is equal to 0. Again I am going to use the factorization method. So x square, I will get the two factors of this. It is, that means plus 12x minus 10x minus 120 is equal to 0. Add these two, make the groups of these two. So here you will get x common in the bracket. X plus 12 will be left. Here minus 10 is the common factor. So in the bracket x plus 12 will be left. Here we will get x plus 12 in another bracket, x minus 10 is equal to 0. So x plus 12 is equal to 0, or x minus 10 is equal to 0. So x value you will get minus 12, or x value is equal to 10. Here in this example they have said that even natural number, x should be even natural number. So x minus 12, x is equal to minus 12 is not acceptable or accepted. So what is the answer? X is equal to 10. So therefore x is equal to 10 would be the answer. So therefore even natural numbers are x is equal to 10 and x plus 2, that means 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Third example, in the orange garden of Mr. Madhusudan, there are 150 orange trees and they have given the condition the number of trees in each row is 5 more than that in each column. Find the number of trees in each row and each column with the help of the following flowchart, and they have given the activity. You can solve this example as per the activity. I will show you the solution. Here, before that, I'll explain you some concept. See here, they have said that the trees are planted in the row and in the column. So here, I'll show you the 4 columns. In the 4 columns, in each column there are 3 trees and in each row there are 4 trees. Mean in row there are 4 trees and in column there are 3 trees. And if I want to find out the total number of trees, so here I have to multiply the trees in the row multiply by trees in the column. So here I'll get the total number of trees, that means 12. So these concept, the number of trees in row multiplied by number of trees in column, this is equal to total number of trees. This concept I'm going to use it in this example. So let's see the example. Here they have said the number of trees in each row is 5 more than that in each column. Means whatever the number of trees are there in the column, so in row you will find out there are 5 more trees. So here I will consider let number of trees in column. In column I will consider x. So in row 5 more. 5 more means there would be x plus 5 trees. Now they have given the condition, therefore by condition. What is the condition? What they have given? At the beginning they said that there are total of 150 orange trees. 150 orange trees. Just now I have explained you. If you want to find out number of trees, so what is the concept I have told you? That number of trees in a column multiplied by trees in a row is equal to number of trees. So here I'll use trees in column multiplied by trees in row is equal to how many trees I'll get it? I'll get the trees 150. Number of trees in column, it is x, multiplied by trees in a row, it is x plus 5 is equal to 150. Multiply, you will get x square plus 5x, 150 transfer it on this side, so minus 150 is equal to 0. So what are the two factors? I'll get 15 multiplied by 10, 15 and 10, these two are the factors. So x square plus 15x minus 10x minus 150 is equal to 0. Take x common, so x plus 15, here minus 10 is common, so x plus 15 is equal to 0. X plus 15, x minus 10 is equal to 0. X plus 15 multiplied by x minus 10 is equal to 0. So x plus 15 is equal to 0 or x minus 10 is equal to 0. Here you will get x is equal to minus 15 or x is equal to 10. Here number of trees cannot be negative, therefore x is equal to minus 15 is not accepted. So what is the answer? X would be 10. So what is x? X trees are in the column, so answer trees in column is equal to 10 trees, and in row is equal to 10 plus 5, 5 more trees. So 10 plus 5, that means 15 trees. Fourth example, Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. The sum of the reciprocals of their ages is 1/6. Find their present ages. So here I'll consider, let Kishore is, see, Vivek is older, that means Kishore is younger. So let Kishore's age is equal to x. So therefore Vivek's age is equal to x plus 5. By given condition, what is a given condition? They said that we have to take the sum addition of the reciprocals. These are the ages and we have to take the reciprocals of it. So 1/x, Kishore's age reciprocal, plus 1/x plus 5, and is equal to, this sum is 1/6. How to solve it? Do the cross multiplication. I'll put them in the bracket. Cross multiplication, x plus 5. I'll make the denominators equal. X upon x into x plus 5 is equal to 1/6. Here you will get the answer 2x plus 5, and at the denominator multiply inside the bracket. So x square plus 5x is equal to 1/6. Multiply it, you will get 6 into 2x plus 5 is equal to 1 into x square plus 5x. After solving it, you will get 6 to the 12x plus 30 is equal to x square plus 5x. We'll transfer the terms. So x square plus 5x, I'll transfer all these on that side. So minus 12x minus 30 is equal to 0. Here you will get x square minus 7x minus 30 is equal to 0. 30's factors, x minus 10x plus 3x minus 30 is equal to 0. Take it common from these two and here. So x minus 10 will left, plus 3 is common. So x minus 10 is equal to 0. Here x minus 10 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. Here you will get x minus 10 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. So x minus 10, so x value would be 10 or x is equal to minus 3. What is x? We have considered it is a Kishore's age. Age cannot be negative, so it is not accepted. So x is equal to 10. So therefore Kishore's age is 10 years and Vivek's age 10 plus 5, 15 years. Fifth example, Suyash scored 10 marks more in second test than that in the first. 5 times the score of the second test is the same as square of the score in the first test. Find his score in the first test. Now here Suyash has given the two tests, first test and second test, and they have said the difference. He has got the 10 more marks in second test. So here I'll consider first test is equal to X marks. Then second test is equal to, he has got 10 more marks than the previous test. So here if it is X marks, so here he has scored X plus 10 marks. Now what is the condition? What is the condition? They have said 5 times the score of the second test. What is the second test? X plus 10. And 5 times of it, means multiply this by 5, is equal to, is the same as square of the score in the first test. What is the first test marks? X and square of it. So is equal to X square. So how to solve it? Multiply 5x plus 5 tens are 50 is equal to X square. Arrange it. You will get X square minus 5x minus 50 is equal to 0. So two factors would be 10 and 5. So x square minus 10x plus 5x minus 50 is equal to 0. Take it common. So x is equal to x minus 10 plus 5. So x minus 10 is equal to 0. So here you will get the two brackets, x minus 10 into x plus 5 is equal to 0. So x minus 10 is equal to 0 or x plus 5 is equal to 0. X minus 10 is equal to 0 or x plus 5 is equal to 0. So here you will get x is equal to 10 or x is equal to minus 5. X is a marks, so it cannot be negative. So I'll consider it is not accepted. So here x is equal to 10 would be the answer. So here answer first test marks is equal to 10 and second test marks it is x plus 10. That means 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. Students will see the remaining examples in the next session. Thank you.